Hi everyone, welcome to Budget with Lizzy, where we do all things budgeting. Today we closing out the budget for the week of May 4th. So my paycheck for May 4th. So we're closing out the week and see if we're balanced and go over all the stuff we paid and see if the amounts that we budgeted was what we paid actually. And if you like to watch budgeting videos, just stay tuned, and here we go. So like I said, this is the May 4th budget closeout, the week of May 4th, paycheck. The second sheet I have on here is just my sinking funds breakdown and savings challenges and all that good stuff that I paid for the week. So we started the month by carrying over $1348.58. We budgeted our paycheck to be $900. It was actually $905.77. My other income was $150, and we had some hustle money for $140. I sold something on OfferUp, on eBay, and I won some money buying a scratch off at the lotto place. So the total was for $140. So total income is $2,544.35. Then these are my cash envelopes for my wallet that I stuffed. So that was a total of $65. The rent we actually paid was $669.54. I paid my susu for $400. Can't deviate from that. Travel was actually $30.09. We did put $50 to our car down payment, and sinking funds. Sinking funds we budgeted $660, but the actual total is $565, which is the sinking funds and savings together. And this is $615, but this is added with the entire sinking funds breakdown minus the $65 for my wallet. So, and then I have a little section here for miscellaneous spending, meaning spending I have no business spending I shouldn't be spending. So I have a little section here with some ugly faces, mean faces, and budget for each week or month should be $0. But this week I had to do some extra spending. So the unbudgeted or miscellaneous, unplanned, all that good stuff spending, bad stuff, was $70.53. And I paid, whoops, wrong line. I actually paid Best Buy, because one of my promos were expiring. So this should have been Best Buy. I budgeted $450, but I actually paid $560 because I didn't want to what am I saying? I didn't want to, I think that's wrong too. I'm losing it. I didn't want my promo to expire, and I didn't make a payment, and then they add all that back interest. So It's supposed to be 460. Hate that. Hate it. So this is what we spent for the week and bills we paid. So when we add up, let me know in the description. Leave a comment and let me know if you guys budget for the week or you have like a budget and you actually close it out and stuff like that. Let me see if I'm the only one that's going crazy with all these numbers and papers and stuff. No, I don't know where I was. 400, 30.09, $50, 565. That is 17, 14, 63. And then this is only 460. 460. Oh my Lord. So if we subtract all these expenses from my total, minus $65, minus 1714.63, minus $70.53, and then minus 460, 234.19, and that's what we're going to be carrying over. And my week actually balanced today to the penny, which is crazy. 4,435 is income. Expenses added up to 65, 1714.63, 70.53, 460, 2310.16, minus 2544.35 would be 234.19. So this we're going to carry over to the next week. So then we already have our budget set up for the next week. Oh, April. The week of the 11th. The carryover is and we're going to figure out what we're going to pay, all that good stuff. So we're going to budget our paycheck to be 900 again. Income 150. We'll leave that until we work out our sinking funds and stuff. Trying to pay insurance this week. Experience monitoring, iCloud, travel, which is every week. Storage, no. We're gonna put $50 again. Budget $50 for the down payment again, and hopefully we can pay $500 and $200 on these both of these credit cards. So that's my closeout for the week of May 4th, and show you the beginning budget of May 11th, and then at the end May 11th. It's actually 2 days ago, and I'm gonna work out my sinking funds and all that good stuff, and then we'll do our cash stuffing. So I'll see you guys on the next video, and hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you like my little setup, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.